Our fallacy is post hoc, ergo propter hoc. The fallacy is Latin for after which, therefore because of which. That could seem confusing, so what that means is that it is incorrect to always claim something is a cause just because it happened earlier. In other words, correlation does not imply causation.
The cartoon states, someone sent me another anonymous email with a link to an article about the world's worst bosses. I get one of those emails every time I leave your cubicle. Do you think I wouldn't notice the correlation?
The cartoon illustrates this because although there was a pattern, it does not mean that he was behind the emails. To simplify all of this, A occurs before B. Therefore, A is the cause of B. An example of this is most divorced couples go to see a therapist before they separate. Therefore, going to see a therapist will increase the chances that you will get a divorce.
Here is a video example from the Big Bang Theory TV show.
Oh, hi, Mom. No, I told you I'd call you when I got home. I'm not home yet. All right, I'm home. The Arctic expedition was a remarkable success. I'm all but certain there's a Nobel Prize in my future. Actually, I shouldn't say that. I'm entirely certain. No, Mother, I could not feel your church group praying for my safety. The fact that I'm home safe does not prove that it worked. That logic is post hoc, ergo propter hoc. No, I'm not sassing you in Eskimo talk.
The example shows that he did not get home safely because his mom and her church group prayed for him before he got home. Post hoc, ergo propter hoc is also known as coincidental correlation. You can show that the correlation is coincidental by either showing the effect would have occurred even if the cause did not occur, or showing that the effect was caused by something other than the suggested cause. Post hoc, ergo propter hoc is popular in everyday life, whether you know it or not. Media leaps to conclusions about causation in order to get better ratings. Businesses try to make their products seem necessary for happiness. And politicians casually link themselves to good news and their opponents to bad news in order to instill fear in and gain support from the public. Just remember, think about all other possible explanations before jumping to conclusions.